Guys, check out these new Titan Hydramaster designs. I'm with Dole. He's the marketing guy of Hydramaster. Dole, give us a few specs and information about these machines.
Absolutely. One of the things that we wanted to do, besides the obvious aesthetic upgrade, is to bring to the cleaner some things that we think will add value during the job. Mainly to make the machine easier to operate
Yes,
for
sir.
new technicians and easier to train. For instance, one of the big questions we always get from people, even guys that have owned their units for a long time, they forget what kind of blower oil goes in this, what kind of pump oil goes in this. We now have that right on the label on all three of the Titan machines. So you've got all of the quick reference guide to all the different oils.
Oh, it is something in there.
There is
Okay.
something in there.
Okay.
We have startup instructions and shutdown procedures.
Oh, okay.
So that if you're bringing a new technician on and you need to put them to work real quickly, teaches them right there how to turn the machine off, and probably more importantly, from a long-term standpoint, how to turn it off.
I'm gonna tell you,
properly.
I'm a big fan of presentation, and that right there, it speaks so much value. That's what I call dummy proof.
Yes.
Well, you can put a guy in the machine, show him how to run it in about 2 to 4 weeks. But if he have any issues, it's all right here. That's a good feature. I like that.
Thank you very much. That's the idea. It's also color coded, so that with white and blue, so that if it's white, it reflects the vacuum. If it's blue, and you'll find that on the two bigger units also. Now this is the Titan 325. It doesn't just have the aesthetic upgrade. It actually has a larger heat exchanger than our old Boxer 318
That's
does.
what I started out with. Yes.
So it's got about the heating capacity of this unit is about 15 to 20 degrees hotter than the Boxer 318.
My box on a good day, because usually, in Georgia, the hotter it is, the hotter the machine get. I see my machine get up to about 220 on a good hot day.
Right.
Average day, about 190, maybe 200. So you saying these can get up to 220 with ease?
Yes, absolutely.
Wow.
And we've measured it against similar units in the industry, and we truly believe it's the hottest, smaller truck mount that there is.
Now this is the 325, so this is what horsepower?
It has 18 horsepower.
And what's the blower size?
Blower size is a 3.6 blower.
So a base of 36 blower.
Yep.
Okay, now we got over here the 575.
575. This obviously is our beast. This is a unit that it's got a 32.5 Kubota water-cooled engine, liquid-cooled engine. Same idea, color-coded panel, operations instruction, maintenance instructions, and a sleek new look. Obviously, we also love the stainless steel look.
Okay.
Titan, that's the whole idea behind the Titan Tub.
I love this design with the lights in the back.
We went with stainless steel. We could have gone with plastic, but we decided to go with something that's tougher, that reflects what our customers are.
Okay.
And then we've also got the Titan 425.
So this is going to be your middle entry level.
This is the middle. That's right. Exactly. This is what I like to call the sweet spot machine, especially to guys that are new in the business, that are really confused about how big a truck mount they need. This will handle about anything unless you're doing, huge commercials and stuff like that. But it's got a 23 horsepower engine. It's got a 4.5 blower.
Okay.
And the same idea, color-coded panel, operations instructions, and maintenance.
And what about the heating system on this? What do we got? Double?
This is going to get about 5 to 10 degrees more than the 325.
The 325.
Because it's got a bigger blower and a bigger engine.
Okay. So we got the 325 guys. We got the 425, which is a middle machine, and you got your big boy Titan 575.
Exactly.
How long have these machines been out?
We introduced them right here.
Okay, wow.
We had our distributor meeting on Tuesday. They got to see it Tuesday, so they saw it one day before everybody else. But this is the introduction. We're going to start.
There he is.
We're going to start shipping these machines.
Hey, you know the name of his company? Titan.
Oh, that is a good name for carpet cleaning.
He actually showed it. He previewed it on social media for us. So these are beautiful machines, and that fits Jonathan perfect for his company name. These are beautiful machines, Jonathan.
I got the 575 on.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
This is a beautiful machine. I will say that. Congratulations, guys.
Appreciate it.
Okay, I won't do it over there. I gave him some shit.
Well, this is a beautiful machine. Then look at the payments. Now, who do you guys go through mainly?
We go through 3 or 4 different companies, because what we've found is we work with Aztec, we work with Marlin, some of the bigger companies that are recognized in the industry, but a lot of it depends on whether you're adding a van to the package and your own personal credit. And so what we like to do is, rather than steer you right into one thing, is find out a little bit more about you.
Yes, sir.
And then lead you to a company that we think gives the best deal to that type of person.
Exactly.
So, that, for instance, we do a lot of deals with Ally.
Okay.
Ally will finance a
Ally
Chevy,
Bank?
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay.
Ally Bank will finance a Chevy van with a CDS and for a high credit rating, somewhere between 5.9 and 6.9.
Okay.
So that's hard to beat.
Yes, but it sounds like someone who might have a little credit issues or a little
Yeah, if they have
capital
credit
issues.
issues, then we're going to take them to a different company
okay.
that specializes in working with people that don't have perfect credit.
Yes.
And so try and get them the best rate. They're not going to get as good a rate as the guy with perfect credit.
But at the end of the day, I will say this: if you're making money with these machines,
absolutely,
that really doesn't matter that much.
You just said that. I mean, $545.20. That's 2 jobs a month.
Exactly.
2 jobs a month.
Yeah, because the average cleaner average about $2 to $250 a job.
Exactly.
So that's 2 jobs a month. Yeah.
So a lot of times, what people need help with is how to get those jobs.
How to get those jobs? Yes. Yep. Yes, sir. Well, man, it was a pleasure, Dole. All right, guys, Dole's with Hydramaster. I already got Ricky Marsh.
Keep up the good work educating those guys on Facebook, would
I
you?
definitely will. Somebody is bear hugging me right now.
Are you ready? Oh, baby!
Man, strong man right here. This is actually one of the original. Now, this is like the grandson.
He's 107 years old.
Exactly.
He looks pretty good, doesn't
So he just really just getting drunk and having fun, bear hugging people. This is the guy that owns the company.
No, I have nothing to do with the company.
That's what they all say, right? I have nothing to do with it, but I'm here.
I own the company,
Your father-in-law?
and he started the company.
Uh-huh.
Mike Palmer, solid guy. He taught me how to take care of customers.
There you go. That's take care of your customers. Now let me ask you one more question, Dole.
Absolutely.
I have been so interested in this model. It's the sleekest and probably one of the best models I've seen. One thing I will tell you I like about this already, it goes straight 2-inch. I like that.
Yes.
Do you guys have any? I can't find anybody that's using this right now. Is this at John Dunn?
It is at John Dunn. John Dunn
okay.
has it on their website, and they have it in most of their stores. It's only been out 3 months.
About 3 months, okay.
So it's been out 3 months.
I'm gonna call Chris, the one who's at the Atlanta store.
Yes.
And he'll usually let me borrow a piece of equipment.
Yeah,
I'm gonna test this out for you guys.
Yeah, work with Ricky if they get one out there for you guys to test out.
Okay,
All right?
I'll ask Ricky about that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's a nice tool. When I seen that straight 2-inch, and I also like how you guys have the vacuum release on the tool instead of the
on the base.
on the base. Yes.
Yeah. The other thing that a lot of people notice the older. But one of the most common complaints on the other units, which are both good units that are out there, is when you're on a hard surface floor where it's really holding onto your tool and you're trying to move it, that the steel twists too much.
Yes.
So that's why we built it. Obviously, since it's in the Evolution series, we wanted to rotomold it.
Yep.
But this handle will not flex.
Not only do I like this handle, like the other ones, I like it because it's plastic, so you don't have to worry about it damaging floors. Because a lot of times you lay these things down, and most of those are steel plates.
Right.
They have those sharp edges, and also if you run your finger across in the wrong direction, you can cut yourself. So I like this design, even though it looks like some kind of futuristic machine gun, like a motorcycle.
It does look like a
yeah.
motorcycle.
But I like the direction
Either that, or you can get it's one of the Segway, right?
Yes, exactly. Like the scooters, yeah.
There you go.
Yep. But I really like what you guys did with these designs, man. These are some beautiful machines.
Thank you, Courtney. We appreciate it.
No problem. All right, guys. So again, we got the 325, 575, 425. If you're in the business or shopping for a machine, definitely check these out. I like these. I really do.
You are not here, but believe me, you are changing lives. You are changing lives.
Yes, get a picture. This is Rocky, guys. Guys, this is Rocky. He follows me on YouTube.
Yeah,
Are you on
YouTube.
Facebook?
No,
Not on Facebook.
No, not yet.
But a lot of people on YouTube, not on Facebook.
Yeah.
But man, thank you so
You're
much,
welcome.
man.
I'm really impressed with your job, and I want to say thank you to you because you are sharing a lot of knowledge, and that knowledge we're using for bringing food to our table,
There you
for
go, man.
feeding our families. So you are transforming people and communities.
Thank
and
you.
Thank you.
There's enough for everybody. Yes, sir. All right, guys. All right, guys. I'm here with Basic Coatings. He just asked me to demonstrate the machine because I do own one. Love the machine, so let's do some demonstration. So one thing we like to do, we always go with the grain, right? With the grain. I like to do with mine. Oh, let it go. Okay. You guys see that water right there?
Great, we got a wood floor demo going on now. We got a stone roll about ready to start with some polish and some marble and some countertops. Come on over, have a chair. We're about to run out of space. You gotta get a chair while you can.
Another thing too, you got it locked. You prop it up. I like that too. You gotta set that stuff right up. Let's turn up the solution.
Get all set up. He's ready to go in a minute now. You want to find out how to make some money on these countertops and one of the floors. We got a national expert right here available to you. He's going to show you all the tricks and the products and the pricing. Come on up, join us before the seats are all taken.
On the drive.